We are logging on to the taxi driver app. It's an app for the taxi driver where once he logs into the application, he can accept requests and decline requests. Now as you can see, there's a button down there. He can go and check his profile, his trips. I'll show you his profile. Once he clicks on his profile, he has its name, email ID, all the functionalities he can change, update, whatever he wants. He has some driver preferences too, wherein he has trips, driver, addresses, tariffs, whatever he wants to set, he can do it. Now let's go back to main functionality. Now I've switched on the button so that I can accept some request. And from the other mobile, I have sent a taxi booking request to the driver. Now you will see there will be a request from the other app. As you see, a button of payment and 2 kilometers. Now here goes the request. Now he has 30 seconds at the moment. He can either accept it or reject it. If he doesn't accept it, the app will automatically reject the request. Now I'm accepting it. Once you accept it, as you see on the top, it shows you the client details. Gopal, his number, his address. Now he's on the map. On the map, if you see, it also shows you the route. Now below you see the 2 buttons. Now again, driver can cancel the request, or again he can say I am going to pick up the client. Let's go and pick up the client. Now I have an option, client picked up, client not found. If I click the option on client picked up, it will show you client picked up. Now let's come back to the user side. Now user can see the details of the driver. Here driver arrived, show map view or a new taxi. So the now user can actually rate the driver on the driver arrived. Now user can set the driver as favorite, he can give the rating, he can save the trip, and now he can make the payment. Thank you so much.